Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar CAD, I'm still very bullish overall for now, but I still think there is a chance that it could go down and make a wave B before it goes up and makes a wave C. Or I do have an alternative count, which is this is a 1, 2, 3, and this is actually all a wave 4, and we're actually in a wave 5 right now. So definitely two completely different analysis, but we are looking for longs on sort of time frames primarily, so it really shouldn't make too much of a difference. Going down to the weekly time frame, for now I'm definitely still looking at this as an A. I still think this could be a wave B, and I'm still looking to see if it does make a turn down for a wave C of wave B, like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's still extremely corrective looking. We haven't broken above the 78%, so we really don't have proof yet that it really is going to go up and make a new high. If it does turn down, at a fib level, or if it does end up making a lower high, then I definitely would take it as a short. Probably would be the continuation of the downtrend. Otherwise, this daily time frame is definitely in an up move to the upside, and the trend is our friend, so we definitely should be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I still have this marked as a wave E. It definitely could end up making a lower high. We do have some pretty good dollar news coming out today, so if it does make a lower high and push down, then I would definitely go short. Or if it makes its way back up to that 78%, then makes like a break of structure and goes down, then I would definitely get out of some trades then also. I would get out of my longs and potentially go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So, keeping all this in mind, let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we definitely should be looking for longs because our daily time frame has been in an uptrend pretty much this whole time. Daily, weekly, monthly time frame really has been up pretty much this whole time. So I've been saying for a while that this could make a lower high and go down, but really what's been going on is it's been making lower, three-wave patterns down and impulsive moves up. So we should definitely still be looking for longs on anything below the 1 hour time frame, especially if it does bounce from this fib level, make a nice break of starts, make a nice impulsive move down, then yeah, definitely go short. Otherwise, continue to look for longs at the end of three-wave pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.